Good afternoon, class. This is lecture number first. Today we are going to start the chapter number 4, light energy. Okay. As I had sent some of the question answer of this chapter, so I think the basic idea we have earlier. So let us start with the light. As we know, light is the one of the form of energy. Okay. One of the form of energy. Okay. Like heat energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. We had already discussed this energy, chemical energy. So light is another form of energy. Okay. So can we see that we have a sensation of sight that is due to the presence of light. If there is no light in our around us, then we cannot see any object. Okay. So this is the basic definition, and we can say that without light we cannot see any object. Okay. Because there is a various type of phenomena with the help of light, due to which we can see every object clearly. Okay. So there is a propagation of light, that is rectilinear. I think rectilinear is very familiar word, because rectilinear means a motion in straight line. Okay. If light travel in a straight line, then it is known as the rectilinear propagation of light. Okay. Then third term is transparent medium. Transparent medium is very simple. If light passes through a medium easily without any obstacle. Okay. If there is no obstacle for a light for any medium, then it is known as the transparent medium. Okay. If there are too many obstacles like this, okay, then light may be reflect from this surface. Okay. May or may not be, that is depend on the transparent medium or the secondary medium, either these are transparent or non-transparent. Okay. If transparent, then light can pass through this surface. If not, then light can reflect back to the through some angles. Okay. So it is the difference between the transparent and medium and non-transparent. Then the most important thing is reflection of light. Okay. Reflection of light means if ray of a light return back from a medium, like, let us see, that is very important topic. Okay. Reflection of light is very important. Okay. Let us we have a surface. Okay. A light ray come to that surface, and the surface is non-transparent. Okay. This is non-transparent medium. So it means the light cannot directly passes through this. Okay. So if it cannot be passes through that, so it can reflect back to the another medium, or that of the same medium, because we have two medium, first one and second one. Okay. So this is a complete idea of the reflection of light. Okay. So what about the surfaces? Surfaces means a polished surface. Okay. A polished surface which can easily reflect back a ray of light. A mirror, generally a plane mirror, which reflect our images so that we can easily see our image. Okay. In mirrors. Then we have still water is also act as polished surface. Okay. Because due to the polished surface, we can easily feel the image of that particular object. Okay. Because through which the ray of light through the object can reflect back through that surface, so that we can easily see that particular object. Sorry, this is time for downward direction. Okay. Let us suppose that is the image or incident ray, and that is reflected ray. Okay. This is incident, and we can say that this is the reflected ray. Okay. We have to discuss this more about that. Okay. Then we have concept of plane mirror. I think plane mirror is very familiar object for us, because we can daily see the plane mirror for for our images. Okay, so there are two surfaces in the plane mirror. Okay, now student we have the next topic, plane mirror, very important topic. Okay, हमारे घरों में भी होता है प्लेन मिरर, दैट इज प्लेन मिरर इन विच वी कैन सी आवर इमेजेस. ओके, सो देयर आर टू सर्फेसेस इन प्लेन मिरर. द फर्स्ट वन इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग और पॉली सर्फेस, मीन्स दिस वन इज द रिफ्लेक्टिंग एंड पॉली सर्फेस, एंड सिल्वर्ड और ओपेक सर्फेस इज दिस. ओपेक मीन्स दैट सर्फेस. ओके, दैट इज द ओपेक सर्फेस. Okay, the first one reflecting. Reflecting means if a ray of light come through this surface, then it will definitely reflect to back. Okay, opaque surface से कोई भी रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं होगा. अगर यहाँ पर कोई रे ऑफ लाइट जाएगी तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट बैक नहीं होगी. That's why it is known as opaque surface, because यहाँ से कोई भी रिफ्लेक्शन हमको ऑब्टेन नहीं होगा. रिफ्लेक्टिंग सर्फेस इसलिए रिफ्लेक्टिंग पॉली सर्फेस, बिकॉज रिफ्लेक्शन इज ऑकर इन दैट सर्फेस. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, so if object is placed 1 meter in front of, let us suppose 1 meter in front of the mirror. Okay, so जो हमारी ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज बनेगी वो भी 1 मीटर इसके जस्ट रियर साइड में बनेगी. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, जब भी हम अपने आप को जब भी हम अपने आप को मिरर में देखते हैं तो होता क्या है, लाइक दिस. लेटस ये मिरर है, लेटस सपोज ये मिरर है. हम इसके फ्रंट में यहाँ पे रहते हैं. लेट इसके बीच में 25 और 50 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस. देन मिरर की बैक साइड में यानी कि रियर ऑफ द मिरर 50 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे हमारी इमेज बनेगी. ओके, वन मोर थिंग इज दैट the image formed is always real and inverted. Why? Because if you feel, you put up your left hand, then in mirror the right hand is raised. Okay, that is the very common example. Okay, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट की डिस्टेंस मिरर से पास जितनी पास होगी उतना ही हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज भी उतनी होगी. इट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट the distance between the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror. Both are the equal. Okay, अगर ये 1 मीटर पर रखा है तो 1 मीटर पर इमेज भी बनेगी. 1 मीटर पर अगर 50 सेंटीमीटर पर हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है तो 50 सेंटीमीटर पर ही हमारी इमेज भी बनेगी. ओके, इमेज इज ऑलवेज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. रियल मीन्स सेम टाइप की इमेज होगी, इन्वर्टेड मीन्स उल्टी. उल्टी मीन्स अगर हम लेफ्ट हैंड रेज करेंगे तो राइट हैंड रेज होगा, राइट करेंगे तो लेफ्ट होगा. ओके, दैट मीन्स इन्वर्टेड. ओके, दिस इज द कंप्लीट कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे अभी हम पढ़ेंगे इसके बाद आफ्टर दैट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट आवर टॉपिक इज रिफ्लेक्टिंग सर्फेस. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज सम टर्म्स रिलेटेड टू रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. ओके, यहीं पे देखते हैं. This is normal to the surface. Why it is named as normal? Because 90 degree form करेगा. Okay, so that's why it is known as normal to the surface. Then we have incident ray. ये हमारी incident. Incident ray means जो रे हमने इंसिडेंट कराई है ऑब्जेक्ट किसी भी मिरर. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, also known as I. Angle of reflection, reflected ray, and ये एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, एंगल आर. दिस इज एंगल आई. ओके, angle of incidence, always the angle is between the normal to the surface and incident ray. Very important. As per the numerical problem, this is the very important concept, that angle of incidence is equal to the the angle between the normal and incident ray. Means normal ray और incident ray के बीच का angle of incidence, and normal and reflected ray के बीच का angle of reflection. Very very important. Okay, point of incidence. This point is known as point of incidence. जहाँ पर हमारा point incident, जो incident ray यहाँ पर point out होगी वो हमारा point of incidence. Okay, then we have angle of refracted ray, incident ray, point of incident, normal, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. I repeat one more time. Okay, incident ray, first of all normal, incident ray and reflected ray. Okay, angle between normal and incident ray, that is angle of incidence. Angle between reflected ray and normal, that is angle of reflection. And the point P, let us, this is point P and it is known as the point of incidence, at which the incident ray strike on the surface. Okay, this is the all about the basic terms of the reflection. Okay, now we have law of reflection. Laws of reflection are, first one, laws of reflection. The first one is angle of incidence I equal to angle of reflection R. Second one is important. Second one is the incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie in the same plane. Means incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie on the same plane. Means these are on the same plane. This is the only plane surface, that is plane. Okay, so all the incident ray, normal and reflected ray lie on the same plane. It means all are in the same plane. So this is the second law, and I think you have already write these in the question. Okay, next we have verification of law of reflection. This is the experiment. Okay, read this experiment thoroughly, okay, by yourself. If you have any doubt in this, then you can contact me for that. Okay, next topic we have reflection of a ray of light normally incident on a plane. Okay, this is very another important concept. Okay, but very very simple. Okay, the concept is that if you incident a ray normal to the surface, it means normal to the surface is this, yes or no, and we have to incident the incident ray on the same, it means on the normal to the surface, then the incident ray reflect back, yes or no, reflected ray, and this is incident ray. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is that the angle of incidence and angle of reflection is equal to 0 in this case. In this particular case, then angle of I equal to angle of R equal to 0, because we know that the angle of incidence is the angle between the normal and incident, and here normal and incident are on the same line. It means both have the 0 angle, yes or no. Let us suppose this is normal and we have to incident the same ray in that, and reflected ray again the same. Okay, it means according to law of reflection of light, angle I equal to angle R, and that is equal to 0. Okay, thank you so much. We will discuss next topic in the next lecture.